Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel yet another time. And I'm sorry for not posting regular videos because I have been busy with my PhD work all this while. Although I still have a lot in my plate, I cannot wait to reconnect with you. Hence, let's resume some videos where we can learn and have some fun together. Well, the puja is approaching. We are all set to welcome Goddess Durga. So why not talk about cleaning our house? Yeah, because we couldn't welcome her to a dirty, disorganized place. We need to arrange a lots of stuff before we welcome her. Well then, let's check out some phrases and words that we can use while we are cleaning our house, while we are organizing stuff before any puja, before we are said to worship something. Well then, let's start. I am organizing the bookshelves. She is cleaning the windows with a piece of cloth. She is changing the bed linens today. I'm going to dust the TV and my computer. I'm also going to clean the grout between the tiles. He is cleaning the light fixtures to make them shine. She is wiping the dining table. He is scrubbing the bathroom tiles. He is doing laundry today. I'm going to iron my shirts. I need to vacuum the carpet. I am dusting the shelves. मैं शेल्फ में से धूल झाड़ रही. I am dusting the shelves. I have to empty the trash can. He is mopping the living room floor. He is organizing the garage. I am descaling the kettle to remove the stubborn stains. I also have to disinfect the surface in the toilet, remove the cobwebs, and have to polish the silverware for the dinner party. She is sweeping the floor in the kitchen. Thank you, everyone. I'm sure you are also going to do the same to make your house look spick and span. Bye.